In this question, you have to match the items given in list 1 with those in list 2. Now, GLUT4, that is glucose transporter 4, enables glucose transport into cells. And this type of transporter protein is mainly found in muscles and adipose tissues. Thus, A matches with 4. Now, insulin is a peptide hormone that is secreted by the beta cells of the islets of Langerhans of the pancreas, and it regulates blood glucose level. Thus, B matches with 1. Trypsin is a proteolytic enzyme that is secreted by the pancreas but in its inactive form, that is trypsinogen. Thus, C matches with 2. And collagen is a structural protein that is found in the connective tissue and it acts as a ground substance. Thus, D matches with 3. Hence, the correct answer is option C.